In this particular video, I am going to talk about the Grow app. So this is the complete video about the Grow app. Definitely this will help you to understand how the Grow app is working. So let's talk about these things. So this is the Grow app. And you can notice that currently I have a 55.11 in the wallet in the Grow app to invest. Okay. So this is very a simple interface you can look at, and here the account detail and bank details. So bank detail is basically one account number should be added. So whenever you will withdraw your money, then that money will be you can receive on that particular bank detail. So make sure that one bank detail should be added, and definitely first time by default you have to add a bank detail. Okay, this is all order, all SIPs report and pricing. You can also understand about the pricing of the Grow app. So this is all about this first page, and a very important page is the explore. So this interface is very simple. You can notice at the bottom three options is available. One is the U, it means your account or your your account related detail, and another one is a dashboard. Dashboard have all the investment, all of your investment will be available in this particular places. So you can notice that in the stock section currently I don't have any stock. That's why it is written that didn't buy any stock yet, analyze all your stock at one place, like that. So if you purchase any of the stock share, then this will be available in this particular section. And at the top you can notice that mutual fund. So all the mutual fund investment, all the list of the mutual fund will be available. So this is the current investment in the mutual fund is available. So right now you can get it, that currently I am getting in the positive. So this is my current return. All this detail you will find. So it is very easy. If I will click any of this mutual fund and I will click here, then you can notice that all the thing will be available. So interface is very similar, anyone can understand very easily. So easy interface is very important for many people, because if it is complicated, then definitely people will get feel difficult to understand. So as you can notice that this is the graph up down. You can notice that this is the 3-year graph, and return is 10%, 1 year have 11%, and 1 month have a 12%. So you can notice all this detail here. Okay, and little bit up down it is happening. Currently the market is growing, so you can notice that this is a linear growth. Okay, so you can check the return here in 1 year how much return will be, and in the 3 year how much, category average, like that. So you will get all this detail here. It is very important, and it is very beneficial for you. This is the holding. So this mutual fund is investing where you will get all this detail. So these are the good company and are getting lots of profit, so they are investing in this particular company. That's why you can notice the growth is very high, but risk is also very high. Okay, and then minimum investment amount. So it is also very important. So 1000 is a minimum investment amount. 1000 you have to invest minimum. And another one is that here you can notice that exit load. It is very important. Exit load is something, suppose if you invested 1000 today, and if you want to withdraw your money tomorrow maybe, then 1% will be deducted. So you have to keep it with the 90 days, because here exit 1% if redeemed within the 90 days, it is clearly written. So you have to make sure to check the exit load. It is very important. If you are investing in the first time, then definitely you will get confused, and it's not like if you invested 5000 or maybe 10,000, and another day if you want to withdraw like a FD, if you want to break the FD, then you will get all your amount. So here it is not like that. You have to check the exit load. So 1% will be deducted. So definitely after another day, if you will withdraw your money, then 1% will be deducted. 1000 for 1000, 10 rupees will be deducted. Okay, so make sure these things. In some cases it is a 12 month, or in some cases it is a 30 days or 90 days, like that. So make sure to check all these things. So this is very easy interface. So these are the current investment, and another one is, this is a gold, another one is the gold, and I invested in the gold. So you can notice that the detail is available here. If you will click here, then you can notice that invested amount something, this quantity, and price, current price is this one, like that. You can also sell or invest more, this type of option you will get it. So I hope that you understand about the mutual fund, gold, and stock. If you want to buy any stock, then just click here, see all the stock, and you can invest it. Okay, so you understand about the U, it means your detail, and the dashboard, and another one is the explore. Here you will get an option or the detail of the mutual fund, stock, or gold to invest. So let's click here. Again, at the upper side you will get three options. One is stock, mutual fund, or gold. So these are the stock related list: top gainer, top loser, like that. So for example, this one, you just need to click here the buy, then you will buy it. Okay, but for stock market, make sure you have to create a demat account. So currently in the Grow app, demat account is a free. So in a free of cost, you can create a demat account. However, some hidden charge or some DP charge is available. So if you want to invest something, then make sure that check all the prices. So you can compare with the other app, other stock related app, and based on that you can invest. There are lots of app are available, so you have to check it and compare the price, and based on that you take a decision. Because here the account opening charge is 0, but again you have to pay something. So how much you have to pay? So just I am providing you the quick reference. So here I am clicking and add money. Here you can notice that stock DP charges for minus 15 rupees. Receipt from stock. Okay, so first and foremost you have to add your money. So I have added 100 rupees and paid for stock 91 rupees, and receipt from the stock 23, 31, like that. So I invested and withdraw, and currently I didn't get any return. I just deducted some of the money in the form of DP charges. So you can notice that stock DP charges minus, it means 15 rupees, and stock DP charges here is a 31.86 rupees. So there are lots of hidden charges also available. That's why I said to make sure to check it. Okay, so make sure that you check it first, that how much return you will get. It is very important. What the benefit, what the cost is available. So these are the DP charges, and this is the other hidden charges available. So make sure and confirm. Then after doing some R&D, you can invest in the stock market, basically for the stock market. Otherwise, the another option is the mutual fund. So as I said that exit load and very minimum cost you have to pay for the mutual fund. So it is very better. Grow app is I think very better for the mutual fund, but for stock I think other app can be a better. So you have to check it and compare. But I noticed that interface is very easy, and most of the people like this interface because it is very simple and there are no such complication I found. So I hope that you also love it. So if you want to interface a good interface, then definitely I will suggest the Grow app. Otherwise you can go any other app. Okay, some other app also have a good interface. You just need to go through it. Whichever you like, just open your account. So I'm not sure about the other app because I'm not using that app. That's why I'm talking about the Grow app only. And this is the mutual fund. So again, mutual fund, some of the collection is available like high return, tax saving, or better than FD, top companies, SIP with 500, sector weight, like that. So if you click here better than FD, then some of the mutual fund available, you can invest any of them. So you can notice that graph is very linear, but again the return is very low. It means that it's as name suggests, better than FD. It means it's like a FD. So currently FD, through the FD you can get 7%, 5%, 6%, 7%, but it definitely is better than, because this is providing a 10%. Otherwise, if you will go to the high return, then again risk is also very high, but here you will get very high return. So in 1 month you got a 10%. However, whenever you feel that market is going down, then you can withdraw. So again it will take up to 7 days, what I feel, and after that your your money will be added in your bank account. So this is the current process. So this is a two option. One, either your credited in your bank account or in your Grow app wallet. Okay, so I hope you understand. Another one is a gold. It is also very simple. Just have to click here this one and just invest it, or maybe you can sell it. So thank you for watching. If you will face any problem related to this, then definitely let us know.